Hi, this is Priyanka Gambhir. Today I'm going to present a presentation on application of FedUni graduate attributes. The FedUni graduate attributes that I have used throughout this project. So here is the agenda of this presentation. First, I will cover project overview, then project objective, then project outcome, then all the FedUni graduate attributes, which are leader, thinker, innovator, communicator, and citizen. Next slide. So here is a project overview, which tells about our project. Our client was an owner of Australian and content client company who wanted to expand his business in US as well, and he also wants to improve his production line due to ultimate increase in his purchase order and form offer customized products, customized curtains and blinds. And problem statement was like his purchase order vary from time to time as he offer customized products, and his business is going to expand in within 6 months, and due to which he has to expand his teams as well, but presently he has only 5 teams working. And another problem is all the transactions are recorded and recorded manually at present, so he has to use some sort of software to record all his transactions. And then fourth is like due to increase in production line, there must be a chances of delay in production line, delay in delivery, then wastage of resources, wastage of raw material. All these problems he has to tackle due to increase in his business. And the next slide is, and here is the project objective, which includes like the main objective of the project was to do analysis of data of curtain and blind company by creating a database in SQL for providing the managers and owner of the curtain and blind company a clear overview of the past, present, and future trends of sales and profit and demand of given product so that they can make a good decisions. Then another objective was to develop an interactive dashboard for the managers and owner of the curtain and blind company with drill down features so that they can access it anytime for making sound strategic business decisions. The next slide is project outcomes. So here are a couple of project outcomes. The first one is we generate a dummy database for past 3 years by using sample data, which was related to team of the company, like employees who are working in the firm, and the sales of the product, and then profits, and then suppliers of the firms. And the second is we generate data model. Then third is we create and populate database in SSMS, which is SQL Server Management Studio. Then we worked on some prints. Then finally we create an interactive dashboard. Here is the FedUni attributes, which are leader, thinker, innovator, communicator, and citizen. First, I will start with leader. So firstly, I will start with the leaders. So since we used the agile technique, every team member had a leader who was responsible for guiding their teams in a specific direction. Then I worked as a team leader to accomplish project goals with everyone on my team without letting anyone behind. Then every team member has been given the freedom to develop their own ideas so that we can choose the best strategy for our improved outcomes. And another is thinker. So thinker could be anyone who can think and generate the ideas. So I develop different concepts and look for information and ask my team, customer, and supervisor for their confirmation once I selected the idea. Then with the assistance of my team members, clients, and supervisor, and with online research, I try to comprehend ideas of whole project. First I develop the idea, then I get confirmation of my team member, supervisor, and client. Then I comprehend my idea of whole project. Then I assisted my members of the team with the things that they did not get properly, or in which they were constrained or in which they were weak. And again fourth, a detailed evaluation of potential fixes and with their possible alternatives. Like I did a detailed evaluation of possible solutions with their possible alternatives, and I advise my teammates. uh, if there is any problem, I advise them to address that particular issue. And third is innovator. Innovator can be someone who can create new things and who can imagine new things. So every group member had to be imaginative and creative in order to produce potential answers to anticipate obstacles when using agile development. And secondly, in this project work, advanced Power BI functionalities like R scripts are studied. So these are the new and innovative things that I didn't study during this project. I concluded study on several analytical systems and approaches. And finally, I created a reliable and appealing final product by applied unique and creative ideas throughout the projects. So as a communicator, I use my communication skills throughout the project. Like I work to achieve the project results at the FedUni as a FedUni graduate by working with vision and effectively communicating that vision to the project members. And when communicating, we used to do so with empathy for the target audience of the project or the dashboards and user. Like then we communicate with the clients, the team, and the supervisor through a variety of methods over the course of the project. Emails, WhatsApp messages, Zoom meetings, and stand-up meetings were the main modes of doing communication. So for the good communicator, there must be good listeners. So you have to be good listeners for the better communication. We used to pay close attention to our customer and supervisors' comments so that we can develop and give our clients the best possible final product. The last attribute of FedUni graduates is citizens. So as a citizen, it was our responsibility to complete our project with significant relevance and to do our research with honesty without harming the feelings of others. And then secondly, we worked with morality and without endangering other people's societies or environment sentiments. And we was confidential with our research, like confidential regards to the information that the organization or person considered private. Like we didn't use any information which is private to any organization or person. As you can see, it was a dummy data which was hypothetical. So we learn from experts how to design a project that has no adverse effect on other people and organization. So these are the attributes I have learned and used in my whole project. Thank you.